Hello, my dear family members. In this year, everyone is curious what would be the CTS recruitment process, what questions they would ask, and many questions. So, I am here to solve all your queries day by day, one by one. As we saw in previous year paper of Gen Z Next, there would be 20 to 25 MCQs from Computer Fundamentals, DSA, and SQL. So today we'll be going through some important MCQ which have been asked earlier. So let's see if you can solve those or not. So the first question is binary search can be categorized under greedy technique, divide and conquer technique, or brute force technique, or none of the above. Okay, let me tell you the correct answer, that is divide and conquer technique. Actually, what happens in binary search, that is at first we divide, then we conquer, then we combine, right? So at first the array or list is divided into two parts, then we perform the search operation in the one of the two halves, then we combine, right? I mean, the continuously we recursively we select one half, then the search technique is going on, right? And in this process, I mean, in the binary search, we need time like big O of log n, right? So the next question is, what is the correct way of declaring a two-dimensional array? Int arr square bracket, int square bracket inside square bracket array, int array square bracket, or int square bracket curly braces array. What is the correct way to initialize a two-dimensional array? Okay, this is a very simple question. So let me answer that. The correct answer is int arr square bracket, right? And you can write like int int and square bracket, then name of the variable, right? And then square bracket, right? You can write this way as well, and you can write this way as well, int error, sorry, int square bracket again square bracket error, right? I mean the variable name. So this way you can write. Actually, this is not correct handwriting, but you should have known what I have written, right? Okay. So the next question is, can we access elements randomly in an array? Yes or no? This is also a very basic conceptual question. Even everyone made mistakes here, right? So that's why they ask this type of question. So actually this is the repeated question in the previous year as well, right? So don't take it lightly. So the correct answer will be yes, right? Because array is a linear data structure, and in an array we can access the elements, like let's say the elements are 0 1 2 3 4, right? So we can access the second element like array 1, right? So this way we can access the first element or random element in an array. But in case of any non-linear data structure, what happens, there might be parent child relationship, and there might be a node and address relationship, right? So there we can't access the random elements, right? Okay, the next question is, which of the following will give the column size of two-dimensional array? Error square bracket inside square bracket dot size curly braces, this or this. Okay, let me explain. The correct answer will be this, right? And give importance here, that here we have been asked about column size, right? So array 0 dot size, if this is not given in the option, if like the option is like error 0 dot length and bracket, round bracket, then that option will be the most appropriate, right? Okay, the next question is, which of the following statements will give the size of array? Size of n, size of error by size of error 0, size of error, or array dot size error. So what is the correct answer? Okay, let me tell you the correct answer, that is size of error by size of error 0. Actually, this size of error is the entire size. Let's say the length of the elements is 5. Length of the array is 5, right? So what is the size of array? That is in an array, integer array, the first I mean the every elements has a size of 4 bytes, right? So for length 5, the total size of array is 5 into 4, that is 20, right? So 20 by size of arr 0, that means a single element size, that is 4. So 20 by 4 will be the total size of the array, right? Okay, the next question is a quiz question for you, that is what will be the output of the following code. I hope this is visible, so please give the answer in the comment section before anyone give, right? So this is a snippet from C++. So whether you know C++ or no or not, it is not important, but you should have a little knowledge about that, right? So okay, there might be a mistake here, a curly braces should be placed, right? Okay, so the next question is, let's say the base address of an array of integer type be 2000, then what will be the address of the third element, right? 2008, 2004, 2003, and this. What will be the correct answer? Okay, as I said earlier, that is each of the element has a size of 4 in array, right? So we are accessing the third element, right? What we are accessing the third element, right? So how would we access the third element, that is array 2, that means index is 2, right? So to get the address, there is a formula, that is like base address plus the index into the size of single element, that is base address is 2000 plus index, that is 2, multiply the single element size, that is 4. So 2000 plus 2 into 4, that is 2008, right? So this is the correct answer. Okay, the next question is, someone wants to store some elements such that he can access any element directly using its index. Which data structure can he use? Tree, queue, stack, or array? So I hope you already given an answer in the comment section. So if not, then please pause the video and try to give the answer. Okay, before I give the answer, I would like to inform you that I have prepared a Cognizant premium materials in which I have included all previous year aptitude and quants question, all coding questions and technical MCQs which were asked in previous year. So if you want, then ping me at my Insta ID, instagram.com/tekno.uf. I will provide you, right? Okay, so what would be the correct answer here? Okay, let me explain. That is, the correct answer will be array, right? Why? Because as I said earlier, in terms of accessing elements randomly, right, the best option is array, right? Because why not tree? Why not queue? Why not stack? As we know, trees are hierarchical data structure and queue and stacks are linear data structure, but they don't support direct index based access like arrays, right? So that's why array is the data structure to opt for, right? Okay, the next question is, let's say the size of int is 4 bytes, then what will be the size of error 15? There is a confusion, right? So if you are asked to give only the size of this array 15, I mean the last element size, then the correct answer will be 4, right? And if you are asked to give the size of an array whose length is 15, then the correct answer will be 60, right? Because each of the element in array has the size of 4, so 4 into 15 is equal to 60. So the correct answer will be 60, right? Okay, the next question is a quiz question for you, and this is, I think, last question. Yes, this is the last question. So the last question is, an array is a collection of elements of the data types and stores in a memory location where different non-contiguous, same non-contiguous, same contiguous, and different contiguous. What would be the correct answer? Please give me the answer in the comment section of the two quiz question in a single comment, right? So I hope this much information was also very much helpful to you. So if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding Cognizant. And if you want the materials, then please ping me at my Instagram ID, instagram.com/tekno.tv. And don't forget to share this content with your friends so that they can also take help from this. Thank you for today's session.